बेटा पद लो, अच्छी जॉब लो, पैसे बचाओ, एफडी में डालो, घर खरीदो जल्दी से। Sound familiar? Every single one of us heard this growing up. At the dinner table, during report card season, at every family function where some uncle decided to give us life advice we never asked for. And I want to be very clear. Our parents did not lie to us on purpose. They told us what their parents told them. They survived on this advice. They put food on the table. They sent us to school. They did everything right by their generation. But here is the hard truth that nobody wants to say out loud. That advice was built for their India, not ours. And following it blindly in 2026 is quietly keeping crores of middle-class Indians exactly where they started. Let me break it down simply. They told us put your money in a savings account. Safe hai. Tension nahi. But your savings account is giving you 3 to 4% interest and inflation is running at 6%. Do you know what that means in simple language? Every year your money is sitting in that account. It is actually buying less than it did the year before. You are not saving. You are slowly losing. They told us FD is the best investment. Guaranteed returns, they said. Tension free, they said. And yes, FD is safe. But safe and growing are two completely different things. If your FD gives you 6% and inflation takes 6%, your money is going exactly nowhere. You are running on a treadmill and feeling proud about it. And the biggest one, घर खरीदो जल्दी से. Property में पैसा लगाओ. It is always a good investment, they said. But let us look at the real numbers. A 2 BHK flat in Bengaluru today costs around 1 crore rupees. You take a home loan, you pay EMI for 20 to 30 years. By the time you finish paying, you have actually paid 2 crore for a 1 crore flat. Meanwhile, if your parents had put that same 1 crore in a simple index fund in 1995, it would be worth over 15 crore today. The flat did not make you rich. The bank got rich from your EMI. And the one that hurt the most. पैसे की बात घर में नहीं करते. Money is a private matter. Do not ask what people earn. Do not talk about investments openly. This one single rule created an entire generation of financially illiterate Indians. Not because they were not smart, not because they did not work hard, but because nobody ever had the honest money conversation with them at the right time. Yaar, I am not here to blame our parents. They did their best. They always do. But you are living in 2026. You have SEEPs, index funds, digital gold, global markets available on your phone, resources your parents never had access to. The question is simple. Are you going to use them or are you going to keep following advice that was never designed for your world? Learn what they never got the chance to learn. Invest what they never knew they could invest. And build the financial future that their hard work always deserved but never reached. I am Alex. Subscribe to @AlexInvest because बेटा सिर्फ पादना काफी नहीं है. पैसा भी सीखना पड़ेगा.